how to install ID.me wallet app. So just tap get, and then yeah, you will be able to double click and install it. And then yeah, this is quite interesting app. It's growing in the charts in productivity category. So take your credentials wherever you go. One identity, one wallet. View and manage your verified identity and credentials within your ID.me wallet. Monitor your account activities, access to your full activity history at your fingertips. Secure your account. So yeah, that's what you can see here. Our new ID.me wallet app is a simple and secure way to share and manage your verified credentials anywhere you are. One identity, one wallet. View and manage your verified identity and credentials. Privacy first. Control all aspects of your ID.me experience, including emails, login, and activity history. Secure your account, set up and manage your multi-factor authentication or sign-in options. So yeah, that's the app. I think it works only in US. So maybe not just. And then you just need to sign into ID.me with email and password. Otherwise, you can just create your account with email and password, or you can just proceed with Facebook, Google, Apple, all these additional apps. And then connect your account. And then there you have it. So that's how you can see here. Then you can just add your ID, either employee. You can verify your employee status from here, and then just sign in. Student, you can verify your student status. So yeah, it can be quite helpful, and then you have everything in one app, similar as like you have wallet app here. So then yeah, you have here your IDs, and that's basically the idea here. So that's that.